That's right. 21st century. We made it. Now what? This song we're going to do is from our first record. Our first record is called Fully Loaded, for obvious reasons, or it will be soon. And this song was featured recently on a television show called Minnesota Originals, and it's called Common Man.
Well, I look at the station, get your town. Just a couple of thousand like me around. Well, I got a run with a Henny inside. Take my girl out every Friday night. All these people walk through never stay. The plates on the back from so far away. And I stand at the counter changing my hand. So I turn away saying thank you, man. And I try to leave but I can't let go. Something inside of me I don't know. Take a look and you'll understand. Life at times of a common man. I got my GED, a bucket of fear. This DUI keeps me here. So I dream of the day gonna hit that road. My tires squealing and a heavy load. And I'm trying to leave but I can't let go. Something inside of me I don't know. Take a look and you'll understand. Life at times of the common man. It's just another day, another year. As the years roll by, I kick it into gear. Now my mom's in the driveway saying, "Give me Bill, boy." With a tear in her eye as I hit the road. And I'm trying to leave but I can't let go. Something inside of me I don't know. Take a look and you'll understand the situation right here in my head. Trying to leave but I can't let go. Something inside of me I don't know. Take a look and you'll understand. Life in terms of the common man. All common man.
Thank you much. Very good to be back here. Love this stage. Thanks, Pioneer, for having us.